Hello everyone. Hi Ashish. Hello everyone. Hi. Thank you guys for joining my session today. Hi Dalip Chand. Hello everyone. Hi Gurpreet. Hello. Hi. Welcome back again to Amul live session with Chef Sarthak Kocha. This is my second live with DoubleTree by Hilton Dubai M Square. And thank you so much guys for joining. And as you can see, I'm in my new restaurant called the Spice Tree Dubai, which is there in DoubleTree by Hilton M Square in Al Mankul. Hi Divya, hi Hira, hi Shashi, hi Gurpreet, hi Dalip, hi Ashish. Thank you guys for joining my session today. थैंक यू शबाना। और आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग डिश। मेरे रेस्टोरेंट का सबसे हाईएस्ट सेलिंग है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड पालक जरदालू, जिसमें हम यूज़ करने वाले हैं सारे इंडियन इंग्रेडिएंट्स और साथ में हम यूज़ करेंगे हमारे अमूल के प्रोडक्ट्स, जिसमें हम यूज़ करेंगे घी और अमूल प्रोसेस चीज़। सो मैं आपको अपने इंग्रेडिएंट्स दिखा देता हूँ। उसके बाद आई विल बी हैंडिंग ओवर द कैमरा टू माई कोलीग स्वाति एंड शी विल बी हेल्पिंग आउट टू रीड द कमेंट्स एंड विल स्टार्ट आवर वीडियो। हाय निधि। सो गाइस, आप देख सकते हैं हम इसमें यूज़ करने वाले हैं ग्रीन चिली, क्यूमिन, स्पिनच, बॉइल्ड पोटैटो, एप्रिकॉट जिसको बोलते हैं जरदालू, कोरिएंडर पाउडर, सॉल्ट, क्यूमिन पाउडर, कस्तूरी मेथी, गरम मसाला, ब्लैक सॉल्ट, पेनको ब्रेड क्रम और हमारा अमूल का प्रोसेस चीज़। सो वी आर यूजिंग ऑल अमूल प्रोडक्ट्स। जो मैं यूज़ करूँगा अमूल का घी, आप देख सकते हैं। आई यूजुअली यूज़ ऑल अमूल प्रोडक्ट्स इन माई इंडियन रेसिपी। हाई फारूक, हाई मोहम्मद, हाई विभूति, हाई जुमा, हाई भारती। थैंक यू गाइज फॉर जॉइनिंग माई सेशन टुडे एंड आई बी यूजिंग अमूल प्रोसेस चीज़। सो अब मैं अपना कैमरा हैंड ओवर करने वाला हूँ मेरी कुलीग को एंड देन शी विल बी हेल्पिंग आउट टू रीड द कमेंट्स एंड देन वी विल स्टार्ट आवर लवली सेशन। थैंक यू जुमा, थैंक यू प्रवीण भाई फॉर जॉइनिंग। Here we go.
Hello everyone, thank you again for joining our session.
Hello, hi everyone. Hello everyone, welcome back again to Amul live session with Chef Sarthak Kocha. I'm here at DoubleTree by Hilton Dubai M Square and the restaurant name is The Spice Tree. It's an urban eatery where we serve Indian cuisine into a very different way and we serve Chinese, Asian, momos, sushi, everything. So today I'm preparing one of the highest selling dish which is called पालक जरदालू एंड पालक जरदालू के अंदर हम यूज़ करेंगे सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स। तो अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारा सेशन। सबसे पहले हम अपना पैन को करेंगे गरम और उसमें हम यूज़ करेंगे अमूल घी।
Guys, if you all have any questions, you all can just type it. Chef, they're saying voice is not very clear. Thank you so much, Nidhi Rawat. We will
I'll
speak
just
a little louder
speak a bit louder.
and we'll be clear. Hi Rinku Sinha.
Hi, thank you guys for joining my session today. हम डालेंगे अमूल का घी। आपको पता है अमूल घी इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स वी यूज़ फॉर इंडियन कुजीन, जिसमें हम यूज़ करते हैं प्रोसेस चीज़, अमूल घी, अमूल का बटर, अमूल मिल्क, फुल फैट मिल्क, फुल क्रीम मिल्क। तब हमारा जैसे घी गर्म होना शुरू हो जाएगा, इसमें हम डालेंगे हमारे क्यूमिन और साथ में डालेंगे ग्रीन चिली। Do we have any followers who has joined? We can say hello, hi to everyone.
Yes, we have Bharti Soni who is
Hi,
saying
Bharti.
hello sir.
Thank you guys for joining my session today.
We have Kavita ji
Hi,
who is
Kavita.
again saying hi. Soumitra Goswami.
Hi Sumitra. तो हमने इसमें डाल दिया हमारा क्यूमिन सीड्स। अभी जैसे ही क्रैक करना शुरू होंगे तो इसमें हम डालेंगे ग्रीन चिली। ग्रीन चिली डालते ही कैमरा में थोड़ा दूर भाग जाइएगा। तो हम डालिए इसमें ग्रीन चिली।
Hina Shah says hi.
Hello, hi.
Aryan Sharma as well.
Hi Aryan, thank you guys for joining my session today. And अब हम डाल रहे हैं इसमें हमारा मेन इंग्रेडिएंट जिसको बोलते हैं एप्रिकॉट जरदालू।
Saraswati is asking hi chef, how are you?
I'm good. How are you, Saraswati? So आप इसको हम सौते करेंगे। बाद इसमें हम डालेंगे हमारी पालक।
Saraswati is asking, what are you making? She's asking again. She's just joined now.
Hi Saraswati, today we are making पालक जरदालू। इसमें हमारा मेन इंग्रेडिएंट है आलू, पालक और एप्रिकॉट्स। तो इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ अ पैटी और ये हम स्टार्टर में सर्व करते हैं, जिसमें यूज़ कर रहे हैं अमूल का देसी घी, अमूल का प्रोसेस चीज़ और सारे इंडियन मसाले। Can you just show them the ingredients? I'll be back in a second.
Hello, Kiran ji. Thank you for joining the session. Hi, Sangeeta. Hi, Sunita Jain. Nidhi, I will ask the chef, which is the best pan to make sandwiches professionally? Chef, which is the best pan to make sandwiches professionally?
Sandwich, you have to make a grilled sandwich or you have to make a pan on the pan. Which kind of
Grill sandwich. Nidhi Rawat is asking.
Then you have to buy a griller. We have a griller which is used for it has a grill from both the sides and we can grill the sandwiches.
Okay.
I'm just checking the connection. I think there's a loose connection with the induction. Just give me a moment.
No problem. Hi Kalpana. Hello. Thank you so much for joining the session. Chef will be right back with us. Just give us 2 more minutes. Till then we can see.
Till then you can see
the
what
beautiful
we have,
ingredients.
We have used apricots, we have used chili. Yeah, it's floating now. And then, yes, you can please ask me the question which we have pending.
Chef, can we serve this main course as well?
Yes, if you want to serve it main course, you have to make it in a bigger portion. Usually we make 30 grams patties, so we serve 4 patties, usually 120 to 140 grams. But if you want to serve as a main course, you have to use it into a bigger portion, that is 100 grams. But it is kind of a starter only.
So Aryan Sharma, yes, you can depending on your appetite, and you can make it into a bigger portion and have it as a main course as well.
Yes.
Swati Das, hello. Kiran Patel, hello.
Now we'll add our spinach in it. ये पालक है, इसको हमने already mince करके रखा हुआ है और इसको हम कुक करेंगे थोड़ा सा। आप पालक को हमने ब्लांच किया है तो ऑलरेडी ऑलमोस्ट कुक है, खाली हम इसको सिर्फ हमारे एप्रिकॉट के साथ मिलाएंगे।
See the beautiful color.
You can see the beautiful color of
Yes.
spinach. The spinach looks lovely. It's green in color. We'll be adding apricots. We are adding more of apricots. It is deliciously.
Saraswati is asking,
Yes.
when are you going to finish making this? Because I'm going to come there and eat it.
Saraswati will take 10 to 15 minutes more, and then we're gonna.
So Saraswati, you can come here in 10 to 15 minutes.
Yes.
The
Now-
Spice Tree, Double G by Hilton M Square.
So now we have mixed. मैंने पैन को बंद कर दिया है क्योंकि ये पालक ऑलमोस्ट कुक थी, तो हम इसको सिर्फ मिक्स कर रहे हैं।
Good afternoon, Hamraj.
And hi, hello everyone. See, we have mixed it very well, and now we'll be adding our little bit of spices. So we'll be using a bit of a salt. We'll be using a bit of our garam masala. We are using a little bit salt. We're
Lovely.
using a little bit of coriander powder. We are using kasturi methi. Kasturi methi gives a very nice flavor to kebabs. We are using a bit of a cumin powder. And our home, like you can see this recipe is ours. It is, we use the garam masala, we do it grind in the hotel itself. It is very fresh
Wow.
and refreshing. And now we are using black salt little because I already added the salt. And now I'm gonna mix it. You mix it well.
Saraswati is here only. You can come up to the Spice Tree, Saraswati.
Yes,
We are going to be
come to
done
Spice Tree.
in another 10 minutes.
Yes. Mixture is ready. And now we will be moving the mixture to our plate to make the patty.
Saraswati, if you're here, I'm sure you can see us. See the chef in action as well, making it.
Here we go. Our mixture is ready. Now we have to just cool down this mixture a little. And to make it a little bit more tastier and twist it into a bit of an international thing, we'll be adding a panko breadcrumb. This breadcrumbs gives a very crunchy and nice texture to the kebabs.
Minu, we are making palak zardalu.
Yes, palak zardalu.
That's what we are making. If you have just joined the session, thank you so much for joining us. Saraswati says, Chef is always amazing. Yes, indeed, he is.
Thank you so much, Saraswati. Thank you for the compliment. And guys, if you want to try this recipe, you are in Dubai or you are visiting Dubai, definitely visit The Spice Tree restaurant in DoubleTree by Hilton, Dubai M Square. It is in Al Manakul, very near to Burj Al Metro station. So if you are coming to Dubai or Dubai, definitely visit us and try our different sort of recipes. We have a different kind of kebabs available in the restaurant, handcrafted by the chefs. So अभी हो गया है ठंडा. I think it's more than it's good enough. So what we'll do?
You're welcome, Minu.
So we'll make a patty kind of a thing, and then with this we'll be using the panko crumb as well.
Panko.
So I will just keep it here, easy to have a look. So we'll put a panko breadcrumb a little bit here, and then now we'll make a.
So guys, we are almost at the climax now. This is the final touch that the chef is giving.
We will be stuffing it with the Amul processed cheese, which gives a very nice and subtle flavor to it.
Chef Hamraj Meena says make a recipe with the cape. Make a recipe with a cape. With a cape.
A cape?
Cape. C-A-P-E.
I didn't get it. I'll answer
Hamraj, why with a cape? If you can help us understand.
Hamraj, I will answer a question after the video.
Make a recipe with a cape.
It's okay. Now you can see we have made a flat patty. After this, we will be stuffing it with apricots and Amul processed cheese.
Chef Sangeeta is asking, where can we get pinch bread crumbs in Dubai?
You can go to any supermarket, you can buy in Spanish. It is a panko breadcrumb.
It's a panko breadcrumb.
Why you want to buy, Sangeeta? You should come to Spice Tree and
Yes.
try our recipes from our hand.
We save you the hassle of going to the market, buying the stuff. You can
So
just
you
come
see,
here.
We are stuffing it with processed cheese and apricot, and now we need to close it. And after you make it a ball again, we will make it flat. And after we make it flat, we'll keep it on the side. We have another one. We put another apricot, and then we put a little bit of processed cheese, and we're gonna again cover it. So guys, do you have any other questions? What I'm preparing? What's the recipe? Would you like to try? Would you want me to prepare something else on my next live session? I will definitely do that.
Sangeeta, you can get it at any market in Dubai itself. The panko bread crumbs, you can get it anywhere.
Yeah.
It's easily available. Can we use homemade bread crumbs, chef?
Yes, you can. You can. Panko is a bit more. It's a Thai, so it's a bit more crunchier and nicer. But yes, you can do it by your homemade bread.
So Minu, yes, we can use. According to chef,
So
we can
we can
use.
have a
Yes.
look.
In case if we don't have, we can use it.
Yeah. We are doing apricot.
Amita is asking, ये orange color का क्या है?
Apricot. ये हमारा रेसिपी का मेन इंग्रेडिएंट है.
अमिता जी, apricot है.
Apricot ने चॉप किया हुआ है, ड्राई apricot है. आपको कहीं भी मार्केट में अवेलेबल होगा. You can buy it and just need to chop it.
Isha Dhingra, chef is making palak zard aloo right now.
Yes.
If you have just joined our session, welcome.
And our last patty. We'll put a cheese again, and then we'll cover it.
You're welcome, Amita.
So guys, who all are in Dubai, definitely you should visit our property and try the kebabs, different kind of kebabs which we are serving at the Spice Tree. We are located in the heart of Dubai.
Valerie says Chef Sarthak's presentation and explanation is by far the best on this entire Amul show.
Thank you so much. It's my
Thank you
pleasure,
so
Valerie.
much.
So now our stuffing has been done. So what we'll do, we'll take some more panko breadcrumb and we're gonna crust the kebabs.
Mukta Saxena, we won't be able to repeat the recipe right now because we almost reached the end. However, chef will explain
I will
it
explain
towards
it.
the end, the
Yes.
entire recipe just for you who have joined late.
Yes, or you should come to our hotel. You should come to Spice Free. I will explain the recipe and I'll cook for you.
And you can watch us make it live.
Yes, definitely, definitely.
But yes, he will go through the recipe at the end as well.
So it's crusted. Yeah, this is done.
Satyavati, chef is making palak zard aloo right now.
Here we go. It's crusted. Again. Now it's done.
There is Ananda from Darjeeling who is saying hello to you.
Thank you so much, Ananda. Hi. Thank you guys for joining my session today.
Isha, chef will go through the entire recipe again towards the end because we've almost reached the end of the recipe right now. So yes, he will go through the entire thing. Just stick with us for some more time, please, if you have just joined.
Moving the induction to the other side. There's some issue, so I'll move it here.
No problem, there are issues always, but we overcome them. And our chef is a master at that. Aman Mehta is saying love from India.
Thank you so much. So guys, now we are moving to the induction part. We will be making it, setting it on the pan. So I'm going on the other side. If you guys, you can just join me from the other side, it will be great. There we go. So yes, you can come this side and we'll be cooking our kebabs. There we go. So what we'll be doing it now, we will be taking our pan and we will be adding Amul ghee.
I will just take you all on a tour as well. This is how our restaurant looks. Everybody, it must be a must to visit.
There we go.
Now let's go to the chef again.
Now we will be heating up the pan, and after heating up the pan, we need to sear the kebabs. Kebabs are already almost cooked because we have already blanched spinach, we have already boiled potatoes. So we don't have to cook it, we have to just give it a little bit color from both the sides, and the panko will become really crispy. And then we will take it off, put it on the platter and serve it. So as you can see, the pan is hot already. We will put our kebab. Here we go.
Guys, please let us know if you have any more questions. Yes, the chef will explain the recipe towards the end again. If you have just joined, not to worry, just stay with us.
Yes. We will definitely explain the recipe.
Yes. And whoever is there with us from the beginning, thank you so much because now you will be able to see the final outcome as well. Madhu, chef will repeat the recipe towards the end. Just give us some more time.
Yes, please. So now we are searing our kebabs on the hot pan with Amul ghee. You can see it will become crispy as we are using panko bread crumb.
Meghna Hotel is located in Al Mankul. Exactly, just next to Barjuman Mall.
So Meghna, I make sure that once you visit the property, you come to the reception, tell them that you have come from Amul Live and you want to visit the Spice Free. And definitely let us know once you are arriving so that we'll take special care of you at the Spice Free at WT by Hilton M Square, Dubai.
Yes, Rinku, it's shallow fry. Actually, we are using very, very less amount of ghee as well.
Yes.
It's very shallow. Isha Dingra, we can see your comments. We are watching you, that you're watching us, and thank you so much for your time.
You can see it already has a good color on it, already done.
Wow.
Now we'll be putting on our plate and we'll put the apricots.
Priyesh Shinde says, Chef, it looks yummy and you have been the best in the Amul session.
Thank you so much. Now we are putting our kebab. It is looks very crispy and
Rekha, are you asking us if we are in United States? Well, this is happening in Dubai.
There we go.
This is the final plating, you guys. Final plating. And whoever has been with us from the beginning, this is what we were getting ready for.
Yeah.
Dona chef will repeat the recipe. He will repeat the recipe. Stay with us.
Don't worry, I'll share the recipe. Even though after the video is finished, I will definitely share the recipe on the comment section so you guys can try the same recipe at home and do let me know how it is. So I'm not putting any kind of a different plating because it is for the home chefs. So it has to be very nicely plated, very easy at home. So you guys can try the same recipe at your home, the one which you can try at the hotel. So what I have done is we have not used much kind of plating. It is just we have the kebab. I put some dry apricots, and if you like spicy, you can add some little bit of green chili.
Dona pizza, yes, chef will also repeat it, and like he said earlier, we are going to add the recipe in our section as well, which you can read later on.
There we go, and then we put some of chaat masala, which gives a very nice flavor.
Divya Menon, yes, it looks yummy, and if you're around, you should make sure you take around, you come to the Spice Tree to experience the same.
Divya Menon is one of my first, you can say, sort of a fan. She's been following me since 1 year.
Wow.
And she has never missed one of my sessions
Wow.
on Amul Live. And she always comment on my behalf whenever she see me getting busy on the live. So as you can see, it is very easy, very simple, no extra plating. I'm not using any kind of cress or any sort of quenelles or something. It's very easy kebab, desi, Indian. As we say that our restaurant is Urban Eatery, that's the Spice to Dubai, where we do all kind of Indian food. We do kebab, we do naan, we do bread, we do our special dal makhani, and then one of the highest selling products which we have, it is palak zardalu. Very easy, very simple. It is stuffed with cheese and apricots, or it's made the main ingredient is palak. Palak is spinach. We have blanched the spinach and chopped it, so it is easier for us to prepare. You can make the mixture one day in advance, and next day you can do the plating.
Can we use chopped nuts along with apricot? Priyesh asks.
Yes, you can use nuts, you can use raisins, you can use chopped nuts, anything. Everything goes very well with the this kebab because it has a very nice and mild flavor of spinach and apricots. So that's why we don't have to use a lot of spice, right? So I hope you guys have enjoyed my session today, and I will be coming back again on live next week with a different timing. And if you have any suggestions, you can visit our hotel page, that is Doubletree by Hilton Dubai M Square, or we are on Instagram as well, The Spice to Dubai. We are on Instagram on the India page as well, that is Doubletree by Hilton Dubai M Square. And you can visit my Instagram as well, that is Chefsarthak Kochhar. So if you have any questions, any comments, any feedback, please come and leave your comments. We will definitely answer your questions, and the recipe I will share on the comments today after the live session is done. So now I'll take bye. Thank you so much guys for joining my session. और जिन जिन लोगों ने मेरे को इंडिया से ज्वाइन किया है, यूएई से ज्वाइन किया है, सबको थैंक यू एंड विल सी यू अगेन. बाय बाय.
Guys, if you live around Dubai, you have to make sure you visit our restaurant, the best Indian urban eatery in Dubai.